All right, today's project, taking out the old Honeywell thermostat. Of course, there's nothing wrong with it, works fine. But bought a new house. Her daughter bought a new house. So everything gets replaced. So we take out the old Honeywell for the new Ecobee. Why? Because anything with a yellow sticker the wife buys. $249, down to $63, you can't pass it up. So step one, kill the power. Take a picture and label the wires. It should be cut and dry, real easy. Replace those wires and that backing with this one. Even has a leveler in there. And the wires will match up. You just got to check, read the directions. Not hard. Make sure you kill the circuit breaker. You don't want to mess up any little electronics in the AC or heat units. So you can take picture. I like to write it down. Notice white's auxiliary, yellow is Y, green G, red R, blue B. Imagine that. B for blue, R for red, G for green, Y for yellow. Brown is C, the orange not used. Or they even give you labels. You could easily label them. And you know, daughter's a high techie, so she'll be able to control this from her phone. It's Ecobee. Can't beat it. You should always update your houses, folks. People with these 20, 30-year-old houses, get a little modernized. Update, make things a little easier and better for you.